there, food lovers, welcome to the channel. Prince Sivalo Mahlangu here. Today I want to present my top 10 Zimbabwe, what I term Zimbabwe Food Bucket List. Food that I think you need to try in your lifetime. Welcome to the show. Zimbabwe, a beautiful country nestled in southern Africa, is a melting pot of cultures, each contributing to a vibrant culinary tapestry. With a diverse array of ethnic groups comes an incredible catalogue of ingredients, giving rise to a stunning collection of dishes, fruits, and beverages. As a chef and filmmaker, I've had the privilege to travel across all our 10 provinces here in Zimbabwe, documenting our incredible food culture. So this list, basically, I've drawn it across all these 10 provinces. But I believe, because we've got a diverse catalogue, I think this might be termed the first part one, and maybe I'll do a part 2 later during the year of another 10 food items. But I think, personally, with all the food that I've tasted and learned from the incredible stories that we've garnered across these 10 provinces, I think at least lay 10 lay. It's fair. It's fair. It's a nice list. So first up, we have the iconic Basil Lama, our beloved sour porridge made from sorghum. This breakfast staple is a powerhouse of nutrients, providing a healthy dose of fiber and probiotics to kickstart your day. So some even add intolwane or ndoran to the dish, and it's very beneficial to children and also abadala. If you are fighting luano moya that accumulates in the stomach, so that's the role well of intolwane. So next on our list is Mudakura, which is a delightful combination of groundnuts, maize kernels, and peanuts. Also known as inkobe or dikobe, this versatile dish can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Packed with protein, fiber, and carbohydrates, it's a satisfying and nutritious treat. Just a fun fact here. And I think that's where the term, even in the Shona language, or Mudakura, just carrying the food and traveling somewhere. So for the adventurous eaters, we have pane, which is called in the Sotho-Tswana language. These protein-rich caterpillars are a sustainable and delicious snake or meal. We call them amacimbi, madora. I really don't like using that term. I think I've said this a lot, more pane worms. So you can enjoy them with buhobe, which is this chwala, satsa, or a spicy chili sauce. The world is finally catching up on what our ancestors knew all along. Insects are a fascinating source of protein. Well, now let's venture into the beautiful cuisine of Namibia, and there's these colberts that they call Tundonga. So this is a unique dish featuring pearl millet and the colberts. The combination of textures and flavors is a testament to the ingenuity of our ancestors in utilizing local grains. If you go there and we shot this in Lukoz, and you eat that, do you know, and it was just seeing the combination of the local ingredients, and the birds, they come once in a while, just like upani. And now it's very advisable that you enjoy within the season. So calling all meat lovers, let's talk about Masumba, which are cow hooves. And I love the way that the Batonga people cook this dish. So Masumba or cow hooves are a true delicacy. The term taken from the Tundonga language is a flavorful dish that is rich in collagen, and it is believed to have various health benefits. Enjoy it with your favorite starch or simple savor the rich broth. Tundonga umsopo wamangqina ngakho within the culture bafaka imbiza, ihlahla sembiza oyintolwane engakhuluma ngayo before, and benathe umsopo lo wamangqina. Ngiwuthanda personally lebo ebhobola. I love pumpkin leaves, so I usually have isitshala samabele, amangqina, lebhobola. Nice food. So preserving our harvest is an art form in Zimbabwe. So I want to talk about umfusha wolute. So umfusha wolute are a testament to this tradition. This nutrient-rich leaves adds depth and flavor to the variety of dishes. Okunye bajayela ukuthi nxa upheka umfusha woluthi uyakwanisa ukufaka ulaza cream. Xa upheka umfusha wendumba, some add peanut butter, but they cut across. But I think I just used ulude because it's actually ulude yalithanda. But I know some would also prefer umfusha wendumba within this list. Okay, talking about our vegetables, there is pumpkin leaves known as Mutikit. So the way it's cooked, I learned this in Chimanimani. The combination of also utilizing sesame seeds in the dish. But very ipobola, I love ipobola. And just the way that they cooked that dish was incredible. So I believe presenting this bucket list, have that dish, the way it's cooked within the perspective of the Ndao people, is an eye-opening experience, So aveli pobola elthanda is my favorite vegetable. Favorite. I think I can eat it every day. For a sweet treat, this time mxhanxa. Mxhanxa now is in the Chikalanga language. I'll do a video one day to show the influences of Kalanga culture on Ndebele culture some other day, where dishes that we learned is Kalangan, and mxhanxa, umcaba are one of those dishes. So this is a delightful combination of maize kernels and melon. This refreshing dessert is perfect for a hot summer day or a cold winter night. On a cultural and migratory note, this dish shows how our ancestors adopted maize and decided to come up with a new dish utilizing an already available ingredient, melon. So there's a lot of dishes that came, but Abatala were like, okay, what can we do with these dishes and see with the ingredients that we have and create dishes. And I think mxhanxa is one of those dishes. So another delightful dessert is inopi, made with melon and maize powder, or sorghum powder, or pearl millet powder, or finger millet powder. The creamy texture and subtle sweetness makes it perfect ending to any meal. Add milk to the dish for a fuller experience. The Tswana people also add what they call madila, amas, to this dish, which is it's an incredible taste. Okay, so no Zimbabwean food journey is complete without amaheu, our traditionally fermented beverage. This probiotic-rich drink is a staple during farming seasons and a refreshing treat any time of the year. So we've got companies now that have got a lot of diverse options of amaheu. Although I don't like because of the sugar component in there, I always like to add my own sugar. And I'm just fascinated about the concept of fermentation within our food, and so but just for accessibility, you can just find amaheu at any store. This is just a glimpse of my own opinion on the Zimbabwe food bucket list. There are so many dishes. I remember putting out a post and asking people within the list there was ezanga phakathi inhlogo. So I think I would be pressured also to do I think a part 2 on this episode. But let's talk. Which food do you think that every Zimbabwean or someone coming to visit Zimbabwe should eat? And also let's just expand our rich history on the catalogue that we have of our indigenous food, our great food. So tell me what you think about Magriza's 10 food items, my ultimate bucket list. But anyway, thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one. Remember, keep the love, keep the wound. Don't forget to subscribe. Ciao.